Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, peace right here. So today I'm preparing some delicious meal from peeled beans. So beans are prepared in many ways, but today I'll be preparing beans that have been peeled, and I'm making a sauce called magera. Magera is a sauce made commonly in the Eastern Uganda. It's almost the same as firinda, which is made in Western Uganda, but the difference is that firinda is peeled raw beans, while magera is either pre-cooked or you can first pound them, then remove the skin. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's get into it. I'll start by putting a saucepan of water on fire. I'll pour the beans in the water. And then I'll cover and let it cook until it's ready. So the beans are now boiling, but since it's a rainy season, it's already drizzling now. So I'll have to move inside before the rain starts heavily. So what else to eat with beans apart from posho? So right now I'm putting water for posho. So that was rain pouring on the roof. One thing I love from cooking from outside is that you get to use firewood, which is much easier. It cooks food faster and it's just much easier to use. But with cooking from inside, you have to use charcoal. One thing I don't like about charcoal is dirtening the hands and then just being congested in one place. So right now the rain has increased. I have to transfer the sauce inside so that I continue with the cooking. Water is ready. So my water is ready. It's time for mingling posho. It's getting dark outside. So posho is the most consumed food in my country. It's eaten at a very high rate compared to other foods. So posho is eaten in schools, it's eaten in hospitals, prisons, homes. Like, it's consumed almost everywhere. It's consumed almost everywhere, every other day, more than any other food that we have in this country. So it's hard to do away with posho because it's everywhere. Season in, season out, posho and beans are just everywhere. So right now I'm preparing the posho for steaming, then I'll go back to cooking the beans. So that's hitting two birds with one stone. So I'll put an old banana leaf, but putting a new one is okay as well. These are two banana leaves are put together. Well, we are done with that part, so let's go back to the beans. So the beans are now ready. You can tell from the little bristles sticking on the side of the saucepan. So they are ready. I'll now put the saucepan I'm going to use for frying our magera beans. So for frying I'll be using onions, green pepper, carrots and tomatoes. Our saucepan is dry, so I'll add cooking oil. A little more than usual. I'll then go ahead and add in onions. Then add in the rest of the vegetables. Add a little more. And then cover. Our tomatoes are ready. I'll now add curry powder. And then I'll now go ahead and pour in the beans. So I scooped up some water from the top. This is really nice. Trust me, I guarantee if you try this, you'll keep on wanting to do it again and again. So remember, we cooked our beans without salt. So at this stage you have to let it simmer for quite a little longer to make sure the salt enters in all the beans, because not all of them are dissolved. Some are just some pieces like that. Add in a little more salt. So right here I'll mix some Royco. This is optional actually, because our sauce is already thick, but I'll add it anyway because I've not put any other spices in it. Then I'll mix in a little water in the Royco. Look at that. I think I'll add in a little more water to let it simmer properly before I take it off the fire. So this is part of the water I had scooped off. So right now I'm done with all the preparations. The food is ready and the sauce is ready. So I'll wait for dinner time. These days I'm actually cooking only dinner. So right now our sauce is ready and it's dinner time. So, just look at that. It's very hard to convince someone that it's beans. Look at that. And it's eating time. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.